guys, Tyrex Gaming here, and today we have D-Rex. Say hello.
Hiya.
And today we're going to be unboxing again from our new house in Joburg. Now we are going to be unboxing this. It is a new controller. It has a third button.
It's like black.
Dun, dun, dun. Magnificent. We also got this, so I can't wait to see what it does. I mean, what it is. Then there's Xbox, written in Chinese, I think. Not reading that. Then there's the instructions. Let's see what we have to do. That's what we have to do. Very small. There's just 5. So if you want to get the controller, there's only 5 steps you have to do. I like this controller because it's blue, my favorite color, and that there's a share button. Uploads my videos instantly to YouTube. I'm going to go play now, and I'll share more of my epic videos with you guys. Tyrex out. Ow. It even makes my eyes hurt.